Hello, students. Today we discuss a new chapter in civics, role of the government in health. In a democratic country or every democratic country, the people has the function to elect their representative, and the representative have the function to provide the better function of health, education, road, electricity, this type of. In this chapter we discuss about what is health, factor that decide our health, health service private or public, equality of health care service. First is what is health. According to the World Health Organization established in 1948, and the definition according to that time, a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being are not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. And then after some time, ओटवा चार्टर मतलब क्या हुआ कि 1986 में एक मीटिंग हुआ कहाँ, ओटवा में, और ओटवा के अकॉर्डिंग वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक नया डिफिनीशन मिला, ए रिसोर्स फॉर एवरीडे लाइफ नॉट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ लिविंग, हेल्थ इज ए पॉजिटिव कंसेप्ट emphasizing social and personal resources as well as physical capacities. ये दो डिफिनीशन हुए हेल्थ के, आपको जो अच्छा लगे आप उसको लिखिएगा. ओके, नाउ इन रिसेंट ईयर the statement has been modified to include the ability of leading a social and economically productive life. Health is not only meaning or to be free from diseases and sickness, but is also associated with nutrition, environmental health, social and mental health. Aspects of health. Two types, physical health and mental health. Physical fitness means well-built and sound body health, such as physical health is the result of regular exercise, proper diet and nutrition. And when we talking about mental health refers to a state of enormous and psychological well-being of an individual. A mental sound and healthy individual is able to use her cognitive and emotional capacity function in the society as well as meet the ordinary demand of everyday life in a better way. Everyday life जो डिमांड है हमारा प्रत्येक दिन का, उसमें इमोशनल या कॉग्निटिव संज्ञानात्मक किसी चीज के बारे में संज्ञान लेना, जानकारी लेना, that comes in mental health. When we talking about physical health, that is proper diet, regular exercise and good sleeping hour. These are comes from physical health. Determinants of health. In this human biological, lifestyle, environmental, healthcare services and Indian health care services. Health care in India is the responsibility of the state. मैंने शुरू में ही बताया कि हमारा काम है एक अच्छे गवर्नमेंट का चुनाव करना, एंड गवर्नमेंट जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा हमारे लिए हेल्थ केयर सुविधा जो है वो प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चार्जेस दोज स्टेज विद राइजिंग the level of nutrition and the standard of living of the people and the improvement of the physical health as among its primary duties. And according to the National Health Policy in 1983, improve the general health condition of the people by means of providing health care center, dietary suggestion, related to diet, everyday diets. And following points show how the medical facility service are increased in India. Total number of hospital in 1991 and total number of hospital in 2001. The number of trained personnel, doctor and nurses are also increased continuously. And according to the estimate, more than 50,000 new graduate and postgraduate doctor are trained every day. Graduate MBBS and postgraduate doctor means MD. Development and availability of better health care facilities, reduction in poverty, availability of food and increase in literacy have all reduced the yearly death of people. Birth rate is increasing, death rate is decreasing. Due to the development of medicine in the field of medical, we control the death rate. That's reason death rate is decreased but birth rate is increased. So our population is also growing and we are in second position in the world on population. And due to the rising level of health facilities in India, a number of medical tourists are coming to India for different treatment. The rate of arrival of medical tourist जो इलाज कराने के लिए इंडिया आते हैं दूसरे देश से, has increased by 25% per annum प्रत्येक साल, are accelerate करना, बहुत तेजी से बढ़ना, डे बाय डे उनमें वृद्धि हो रही है. Okay, in next video we discuss about more things just like H1N1 virus and other things. Okay, thank you very